Why is the car so dirty? How did that happen? Get in the car! Where are we going? We're going to the car wash. Are you serious? Why are you so excited? This is the best day ever. We're going through. It feels like a roller coaster. It's not that cool. Look at all the crazy colors. It's literally just soap. What is that? What are you talking about? There's a giant octopus trying to eat the car. That's not what that is. It was nice knowing you. Nothing's gonna happen. I can't watch. It's over. We're alive. What is that? It's another giant octopus. I think it ate us. You think?